Hello, 8th grade. How are you guys doing? I really miss you guys, especially my 8th graders, because I've not heard from you guys yet. So I hope everyone is doing okay. Please join us for our crew every Wednesday. We have a crew at 10 a.m. There's going to be a link for that. And it's optional, so you don't have to, but I really would love to see you guys. Ivan, Valeria, Matthias, Daniel, please come and join us. It's going to be lots of fun. Now for your information on your work for this week. If my computer will... There we go. Okay. First, just a reminder, there's 45 minutes of iReady math per week. Then your instruction pages are page 138 to 145. And then your math practice is 157 to 166. There are links to that, and then you can also contact Miss Fouts, Mr. Edvick, Miss Caitlin, and Miss Tucker. There are emails for them, so there's lots of sources to help you. There's also Google Meetups, so there's lots of different ideas for help for that. If you have any questions, please contact someone. That's what we're here for. Let's see, English Language Arts. So remember to do 45 minutes of iReady per week. Also read 45 minutes per day of To Kill a Mockingbird. Read the chapters 14 to 16 and keep track of your minutes. Make sure you're logging those. And then you'll write a brief summary about what you read, include at least 4 quotes from the text to support your answer, and it should be at least 4 paragraphs long. In science, chapter 12, the topic, the carbon cycle and ecosystems. So the processes for ReadWorks. Read and answer your questions for chapter 12. Sorry, now Beth is here. And your article posted to your Google Classroom for science. Submit your assignment by Friday 4/10. She just took part of my table, so I just need to make sure that I'm still in the camera. Okay. And then make sure you go to Google Classroom and answer any questions or submit any assignments that you need to. Social studies. I'm super excited about this project. In fact, I wish I could do it. After talking to your family members, decide who is a hero in your family and answer these questions. What trials did they overcome? What kept them going during the hard times? In other words, how did they persevere? How did they help other people? What values did they stay true to? And how have they inspired you? Right? And you get to make a presentation on this, 1 to 2 minute presentation on that family hero. I want to do that myself. It just sounds like a really fun activity. Also, for PE, a reminder that you need to stay physically active. I know that you guys are kind of stuck at home, so make sure that you are doing some sort of physical activity every week. There are instructions on different activities that you could do. There's also a tracker. You can keep track of that. Remember, PE is optional, but there is all that information there. There's a Google Classroom that you can go to get more information. Art. Remember, you're sketching an object per day. This time it's an object in your house. So label it with the date and the object. And over the course of the week, spend at least 2 hours on this project, about 25 minutes per day. And then 2-week master copy. It's due on Friday. So look through the paintings on the link. Use any materials of your choice. Create a copy of one of these famous paintings. If you're a big fan of another work, you can... copy that instead. Just make it as similar as possible. And the ceiling tile project is on hold for now. But if they can use the school before summer break, they might be able to get those, and you can do the ceiling tile. Also, remember, Miss Hendricks has a draw-along drop-in. Every Thursday from 1 to 2 p.m., the middle school can meet with Miss Hendricks. She will take requests of different things that she will sketch or draw, and you can draw along with her if you'd like. There's a link to that. Digital literacy. Students will be watching 1 video per week of a new technology or the function of a computer part. and then write a 1-paragraph reflection about what you learned about that specific technology, and then submit your journal to the Google Classroom. Also, just a reminder that you need to pace yourself. A lot of times people get super stressed because they look at the list of everything they have to do and it feels like it's too much. Just remember that if you do a certain amount per day, you should be able to do it within like 4 hours per week, which is a lot less than 8 hours a day. I know you're at home, there's a lot more distractions, the technology is not as available. Do your best. Remember, focus on math and language arts and other stuff as you have time. Have a good week.